Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to remove your Facebook ID permanently from your PC. So this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So follow me. So go to any browser you want. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any browser. Then search on the search box facebook.com. Then you will see the interface like this. Then you can see the right hand side, right top hand side on your screen. It's called a profile. Simply click here. Then you can see settings and privacy. Simply click here and again click the settings. Once you click the settings, then the right hand side of your screen, it's called personal details under the account center. Simply click personal details. Then you have to click here, uh, personal details. Simply click here. Once you click here, then you can see account ownership and control. Click here and again deactivation or deletion and choose your ID. Then you can see deactivate account, delete your account. So you have to mark the second one and continue, and you have to give reason we are going to delete this account. Simply click anyone. It's not necessary, not mandatory. You can choose anyone, or you can select the right reason, then click the continue and again click the continue. Then you can download your information, or you can deactivate an account in lie of permanently deleted. Simply click the account, then you have to type your password here, then your account will be removed permanently. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.